You may love your old IKEA discontinued dining chairs, but what do you do when you can't find new covers? Refresh and restore your chairs with our custom IKEA slipcovers. Our slipcovers come in trending fabrics, seasonal prints, and classic designs. The best part is that they're all machine wash and dry. And if you do need new chairs, check out IKEA's buyback program and buy secondhand. Sustainability matters to us, so please upcycle instead of dispose. We pride ourselves on high quality for an affordable price, so check out our reviews. Rescue your old discontinued IKEA chairs with our custom slipcovers for the IKEA Henriksdal.